Becoming a cloud-native telco is one thing, but taking business advantage of that status is quite another. So what can communication service providers, the CSPs, that are making the transition to becoming digital service providers, or DSPs, do to bump up their top and bottom lines? Well, to talk about this existential topic, I'm here with Danielle Royston, CEO and founder at TelcoDR and acting CEO at cloud-first telco monetization platform developer Totogi. Danielle, great to see you again. Thanks for joining us. And it seems like you've been busy during the summer because as part of the Cloud Native Telco Summit on TelecomTV, you've announced the launch of a new communications platform as a service, or CPaaS product, developed by Totogi, and it's called Whoosh. Tell us more about Whoosh.
Well, Ray, you may have heard that back in March, I bought CPaaS company Candy that has great customers like AT&T, E&, and IBM's Kyndryl. And so I've been studying this space, and we've seen a lot of action recently. The announcement of the GSMA's Open Gateway initiative this year in Barcelona at MWC 23. Proximus recently invested $720 million for a 60% stake in CPaaS company Route Mobile, and of course the $6.2 billion acquisition of Vonage by Ericsson. CPaaS is a busy space with lots of exciting stuff going on, and everyone agrees network APIs are the future of telco. So we're jumping into the fray too with a new product offering named Whoosh. Whoosh is a programmable messaging API platform that is 100% compatible with Twilio APIs. While it's easy to think that we are a competitor to Twilio, we actually are not. A big difference is that we don't buy connectivity from operators like Twilio does. Instead, we give our software to operators and they add their network, sell it to their enterprise customers, giving them the ability to use their owner economics to undercut Twilio pricing and swap API traffic over to their network. This is great for operators because it begins to rebuild the strategic position they need with enterprise IT departments, as well as help them to build their developer ecosystem, which they need for their burgeoning network API strategy, as well as for initiatives like GSMA's Open Gateway.
Okay, well, that's an interesting approach there. And as we know at TelecomTV, there's quite a push by the industry to help telcos adopt API-based strategies as part of their DSP transformations and make them more relevant and grow their business and market share with the enterprise customer community. But to do that, can't the telcos develop these compatible APIs themselves? Do they really need Totogi's Whoosh?
Yeah, I think telcos could absolutely do this themselves. But the key insight here is that if we agree network APIs are the way to monetize the network and get the ROI on that investment, time is of the essence. Sure, operators continue to get revenue from Twilio, but they need to also understand that as Twilio continues to grow, they continue to expand their ownership of the platform. That's key to our future, right? To the operator future. So we need to stop them. Whoosh is ready now. Operators can take Totogi software and use our speed of innovation, add their connectivity, and just go. Operators don't have time to build this themselves. They aren't techcos yet. Building this yourself will take 2, maybe 4 years. I think only one operator per country will sign up with Totogi. Whoever does it first will own enterprise API traffic for that country.
So Whoosh isn't Totogi's first product. That was charging as a service, which was launched last year. And that's a fully public cloud-hosted software as a service charging platform. What kind of traction have you been getting with that, and from what kind of customers?
Yeah, so we've been focusing our go-to-market efforts with telcos where Totogi really shines. What really makes us unique is our multi-tenancy, especially on the network side, where we connect once to an operator network, but can deploy multiple instances off that one connection. This really speeds up deployments of chargers. This is especially useful in 2 areas, and that is where MNOs are supporting multiple MVNOs, where faster deployments really means pulling in revenue forward for the operator, which is always a great thing. And then the second place is private enterprise networks, where enterprises want to monetize their network. These are both great use cases for us, and we're seeing great interest not only in multiple continents, really around the world, but from tier 3s all the way up to tier 1 operators. Very exciting.
Now, generative AI or Gen AI is a really hot topic in general and also in the telecom sector, of course. I mean, SK Telecom, for example, just announced a $100 million investment in Anthropic, with which it's going to develop a telco-specific large language model. Is Totogi investing in Gen AI features for its offerings?
Yeah, I mean, I think this is the biggest thing to hit since, I'm going to say since the iPhone. I mean, it really is a really big idea. And so we also see a lot of potential to add this technology to our products as well. So we're using it in two ways today. It literally is a day-to-day thing. This area with Gen AI is moving so quickly. And so the first way is to help marketers design plans and tariffs with natural language processing. So simply give a description of the plan and the goals that you're trying to achieve in the design of that plan, and the LLM designs it for you and will even write marketing copy to support the marketing of the plan. And so that's everyone that sees it just is completely floored and wowed, and it's really exciting to see people's face. And then the other way is with our Plan AI product, which will automatically create micro offers to send to subscribers to boost ARPU or to proactively stop churn. And so in these two ways, we're using AI to automatically design offers and write text messages to send to consumers. And so it is super awesome and very exciting.
Okay, excellent. Now, TelecomTV is heading to Copenhagen for the TM Forum's Digital Transformation World event. It's running from the 19th to the 21st of September. Is Totogi heading to Denmark too?
Of course I'm going. So there you'll be able to see demos of our products, including charging as a service with the new generative AI features that I just talked about, plus private enterprise network monetization use cases, and of course, our newest product, Whoosh. So you can find us in two places. We'll be in Hall C2, booth 219, as well as the big AWS booth, which can be found on level 1. And as you guys know, there ain't no party like a Totogi party. So come to our supercharged soiree, which is going to celebrate the launch of Whoosh. It's Tuesday night, September 19th from 6:30 to 8:30. It's in a restaurant that's in the same center called Basalt at Hotel Bella Sky. And so it's a short 5-minute walk. We'll be celebrating our latest product launch. We'll have champagne. You know me, I love champagne. Specialty cocktails, incredible food. So just DM me for an invite on LinkedIn or X, which is I guess Twitter. And of course, Ray, I know how much you love coffee. Come see the Supercharged Cafe by Totogi. It's right across from our stand. There'll be barista-made beverages and snacks, and it's a great place to hang out, enjoy some Java, and network with us. And I can't wait to see you guys, the whole TelecomTV crew, out in Copenhagen.
Okay, well, I'm sure we can find a way to whoosh our way over to that little soiree there. Danielle, a pleasure as always to talk to you. Thanks very much for joining us today.
Awesome. So great to talk with you, Ray. Take care.